In this video, I will show you how to draw a five-pointed star with overlapping arms. The first step is to draw a circle. This circle will determine the size of the star. Then we will divide the circle into 5 equal parts. Now, after dividing the circle into 5 equal parts, we will connect those points to form a regular five-pointed star. Now connect the outer vertex of the star to the vertex directly in front of it. Now, using those 5 points, draw a smaller five-pointed star inside the first one. Finally, we have all the guidelines we need. Let's start tracing them to draw the final star. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video or learned something new, consider leaving a like, and let me know in the comments if there's another geometric shape or drawing technique you'd like me to cover in a future video. See you in the next one.